It's okay, we okay, I'm okay, you okay? El Shaddai, that's kills a man. Oh, blue. Doride, time short, Doride, time short, Doride, time short, Doride, time short. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. We promise you don't want to open the Energy Gang TV. We will update you now what they happen and give you a current news. Tori updates. Now the title for this show. One start and now so. And with me in the studio, I get on my right hand we have
Ebon Sharon.
On my left hand we get
Sonita Walanji.
Sonita Walanji and Ebon Sharon. So we will discuss more today on. Oh man, already know. They know. Nobody said no to one discuss now. So
already know.
The biggest uncle, the ground where we can shaking place. The let's say the way one can end.
Shape bang. Listen on pass me.
I had the cut.
Me know about cut.
No, I had the cut because if let's say the work can end, Uncle Koro don't hit me.
From nowhere.
From nowhere, we don't be expect them. Koro don't hit me. And when the worst na say, with the fear say, Uncle Koro go hit me for Cameroon harder. Because the way till they go.
He did hit me.
Hi.
No, he did hit me. I'm in the down.
Hi.
I swear, we will be to get strong blooding. So what's happening?
See, when this thing started, all man claim say no, you need hit black man, you need hit black man. That's so will ever die. He said we also gather our own. Say no, you need catch black man. So they get African panacea for Kuro. They don't not know they like African panacea. The way this thing hit China, it hit USA.
Italy.
It was not Italy.
Italy
don't kind of a hit like saying that.
Space car. Where you go carry on? I say for 24 hours on our sanctuary. More than 800 people. I think so.
Dead.
So it's really terrible.
I swear. See,
Really a serious
guys.
matter.
Coronavirus in Cameroon no be too go take a line low.
No small.
Na serious issues, honestly. For me, no, I think the government did not take a good measure about the coronavirus issue. Honestly, government be careful. They say government say may they stop open bar and restaurants for 6 o'clock.
Yeah, for 6 o'clock.
Okay, what happens from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m.
That's not the one that.
Yes.
Now say coronavirus kind of 6 o'clock on.
It passed me.
Because I don't understand, but they just
Pass
live
me.
saying for night way they gathering the over plenty, you know, that kind of thing. So people they over gather because they say Cameroon and they so the life of gather and for night, the life of do that they have for night.
Yes.
So now why that?
I heard he said no traveling in and out of the country.
They don't block borders, yes, but that was too late. Why even enter? Why they don't block and since we do video, we will cry, say Popo, lock borders. If you remember the coronavirus, we cry, say Popo, lock borders. They don't yet. They wait until the 1 week pass before they lock the border. But when the coronavirus don't enter, so they catch them. I heard that he's catching one politician in Cameroon.
Of course.
You understand? Where you don't come, they Salosalo Oman. The elected put out for a chair. Where you don't Salosalo Oman, the way the coronavirus is spread out.
And also don't know how many people they salute and where they know where they get
Where they don't get them.
I'm happy because the coronavirus is catching up big people. Yes, because
So get money for children.
get money.
Yes.
okay, imagine saying the catching a poor man like me and you. They don't ever care. We know if you talk say we like them because nothing, no be laughing matter. Yes. Before I want to give my own analysis for the coronavirus palaver in Cameroon, I go leave floor, make Walanji Sonita tell us what she thinks. Let's give your own story for the matter.
My own say this thing they can way. So we just have to take the precautions and that's all. Because the only thing I say we give keep ourselves and clean. You be sure you say make sure say you get your hand sanitizer. No day you for social gathering as they don't talk. So don't expect all the things there. Without we fit avoid these things to the fullest. Because if you get your house, you know they come out. Nothing no day where coronavirus go follow your house can take it.
Yes.
Buy hand sanitizer, keep your environment
500.
clean. All of
You
them.
know
And then if you get it, it's
see.
for you. 500. Buy that thing.
I don't need joke with my own.
Avoid social gathering.
As I talk so, my heart called me. Wait.
So we get them. Gonna let me out.
No. I don't. No. I beg.
everywhere.
all the precautions they
Because
as a
it's not like
so
they
they
Yes.
come into
Yeah, I bet you take
consideration
them back
do
to that
all
place
of
to
that.
see the
No, not
user.
enough.
Yeah.
And if I want to talk about brother and sister then who looks more
We
okay,
saw the two
buy
one.
chop keep our
Yes,
we
it's
are
not going to come on. Yes.
my own
Buy
self.
chop.
I did not say
Yeah.
we do the way say me the man self why if we want self because there are still stubborn people out there.
Yes.
They see commode go, they see commode go. It shows you the thing will spray more and more.
Yeah.
But if I'm take that precaution, avoid the social gathering they have. So me man buy chubby keep up a house. Say if one bad today indoors with your family, chop
Yes.
all the chubby, forget about everything. I beg and I beg my brother and sisters.
Voila. Now, so you don't hear something your own advice now. If you talk say buy a hand sanitizer, make sure you should have a house. And before you should have a house, put chop, buy gari, buy rice, stock them for house.
like trouble in our
Because tomorrow night, 1 year they say they don't shut down the whole world.
Yes.
One year say put get coronavirus also woke up for bed, start on a zombie. Just need to go log yourself inside house. We don't know. But you talk like say the joke maybe now what they can end like so. Honestly, joke apart. Maybe this how God wants to end the world. We can never see this way hit the world. So no Ebola be hit. Ebola no be hit the world. So
until they don't see me school and shut down.
schools have stopped.
I swear.
Teachers now don't get job. Let me wait. We don't even know the hope of people where they don't shut down workers and imagine workers like who work in hotels and restaurants.
But I just like
how they
that
gonna
because
feed?
they respect the school team that they have. They keep their picking their class.
Yes.
Good. Now parents
When now is a parent and
parents will be suffering with children in the house, and husbands are now bound to stay in the house with their wives. Eh? I think that the coronavirus na woman invent them because they don't invent the house.
Not forgetting.
Okay,
tell me the matter they stay with them.
Yes.
My
Yes.
body over worker, so now them go don't show
Really?
us that thing. Yes.
Anyhow, that's on a different topic for different day. For now, so Nita, tell us what Sharon, tell us what you think about this COVID-19. Seriously.
Alright, truly for me, because I know some of us Cameroonians them we need to even take this thing serious at all.
Yeah.
But I want to say the Fed no say coronavirus was also confirmed in Cameroon on the 6th of March 2020. They confirmed say one case don't enter Cameroon. And on the 18th again, I be see 5 cases them again where they be confirmed. Though they not be like go into details to tell with the thing. So people are the one travel down and say, I beg. If they don't talk say the precaution, this more take and that could not be important past our life.
Yeah.
Because tomorrow if we die for dinner, so I need to see how they can recover back, school can recover back for
you
say
say,
no.
I choose so they have to 2 weeks shop.
So the thing is so no just take that precaution because it's already certain that in the hospitals there are some cases like that, like the videos that we watched that the other day.
So
about
my video they out now, it's circulating
Yes,
everywhere.
yes.
So in the hospital and you can really see she's having difficulties in breathing. We don't know like people are saying Cameroon and they so they over bad for invent stories them.
Yeah.
So when they say no, na government own kind of way where they want to take for them money because they will give billions for any country.
I heard the news.
Yes, they'll give billions for country the way they know say no, they get them. So the government they want hustle na but we don't know more just keep ourselves safe.
Yep.
Because it's already confirmed that it's in Cameroon. And again, government who don't talk say the minister for public health, it begs say people the way they don't get that situation they are around the way when I say some person they are around when they get coronavirus, one just contact 1510.
1510.
Yes, 1510. They will just get to una sharp. So now all that so I beg una, more you know how una work, and more you know how una do una things them. Use hand sanitizer is very, very necessary in this
And
place.
even you go use one container for 1 week, no problem. I
Nisha,
don't
by the way, yesterday, see,
prevention
the
is better than cure. They want to be.
listen, for the matter for coronavirus, no be joke. We always know say Cameroon no serious, and maybe Cameroon is not necessary, but when it comes to coronavirus,
It is
no be joke.
matter not to
Coronavirus dey Cameroon period. Understand? Because there's already a case of a lady here in Douala. We go leave a and watch the video for the gay where he get coronavirus for Douala here for like Antony Hospital.
Oh God.
Watch the video. You will see 2 cases already in Douala and there's a confirmed case in Bafoussam. So we go leave a and watch the video where you come back. See you after. No shake. Alright guys, welcome back. It's your favorite show, and even though for now it never yet be your favorite show because this is our first episode, so hope it's gonna make it your favorite show. Okay, so before we continue, I would like to say you subscribe first.
Yeah.
Yes, hit the notification button. There's a bell there. Don't ring that bell. Understand? So that
the yes for our side.
And please,
Yes, no.
comment.
Mad yes for our side.
Alright guys, with the lap soap away, lap do my mind, honestly. So if you don't subscribe and you don't click the notification button there, that's right. You don't watch the video for the gain, you see the way the gain is suffer. That's the case here in Douala, in Lakatini Hospital. That's coronavirus, right? The way it affects you, they say it affects your throat. It starts from your throat, the way it enters through any orifice of your body, through ear, nose, any contact. So when you salute person with coronavirus, you make so there's a liability for you to carry coronavirus, or through your mouth, or if person that around you is sneeze.
Avoid to use our hands.
Yes, avoid your hands. Avoid your hands. Okay, so I go read out the measures where Cameroon government not take for prevent coronavirus, and then when I will listen to, because I know say many people they never know, because when you're not informed, you are deformed.
Yeah.
So the first measure has been land, air, and sea borders close. They don't close all borders. So if person tell you say I send something for you next week, na scam. Say no, I don't send some shipment, but you go receive it next week. Me will say scam. Not to know the inter-Cameroon border, land, air, or sea. According to Cameroon government, okay, all schools closed. So if some get they say no, I'm going to school, scam. Or some man they say no, my child is in school, I'll send the money when it bound.
Scam.
Lie. No school no, they go on for Cameroon at the moment. Passengers, flights, everything suspended. Suspension of visa, insurance, and into Cameroon, everything does suspend. So the person they tell you say no, I will give you visa. Next week you go come out or tomorrow. It's a scam.
Sharp.
It's a scam. School competitions postponed. Bars, restaurants, entertainment, sports closed from 6 p.m. Now, the one that worry me. The one for 6 p.m. They worry me. So I don't know whether coronavirus no be active from morning or maybe in the evening. Yeah, because I know Cameroonian them. When they say they close for 6 now, they will drink for afternoon. They'll drink for morning time. So people now they floor for bar.
Yes.
Now,
when I see the social gathering,
yes. So which measure where Cameroon government don't take them now for prevent this gathering from 6 p.m. because for afternoon, even for 6 p.m. at the past some club that you hear the way they talk behind. I don't know whether that one are behind bars or how. You hear the way people talk inside bar.
But don't be closed.
Yes, but don't be closed. I don't know.
And that's spiritual drinking.
The coronavirus go hit me for way we no go believe am. If you watch this thing now, so call your family members, your friends. Tell them the best way is quarantine, local personal quarantine, isolation. Now the best way to prevent coronavirus. Except you're 100% sure of person that around you. Before I continue this thing, so I will tell you how to test for coronavirus. If you do around person, you don't know whether the person not get the virus because the virus they ever manifest after 10 days. But for be on the safe side, test the person. Test me breathe in like this. Then you count from 1 to 10. That's in seconds manner. Like breathe in.
You hold the breath. You don't send it out.
Wahala. I don't have coronavirus, but I don't get them.
Just say no breathing.
No. I'm breathing well.
Because look at me.
Earlier today, I tested all of them. All my team members, I tested everybody for coronavirus. You give a breathe in, hold up for 10 seconds. If you cough, you're out. Eh? I sanitize you.
I beg now, no more cough.
I beg, no do them again. Please, if you cough again, it's no more. It's no more normal cough.
I beg.
So, regulation of consumer of foods in markets. The one a lie. Forget Camel. You need to regulate nothing. These people are, see, I don't vex here. Say urban and inter-urban travel only necessary in case of serious cases. Yes. Avoid overload in public transport. Why they give a public transport where they carry more than 70 people? Why? Cameroon no ever be serious. Cameroon no ever can be necessary. Why? Okay, wait. You are banning people from being in clubs. They are allowing public transport carrying 70 people. Now what? How?
It's not different.
Imagine if one person enter a bus with coronavirus.
It's not different. No difference.
He will go hold the bus, he chair them, touch him, speed touch him. I'm not going to touch him. Make so.
Before you put the match, she don't.
It's a reflex. Human beings are bent to make like this at times. You don't even know how. You don't even know when. It's an evolutionary action. Okay, now I'm talking now. My cameraman is behind there. He's touching his nose.
Yes.
As I'm talking now, I know some people are watching the video. You touch their nose because it's a reflex. You don't do it intentionally.
Yes.
So when it makes so, it makes so.
We
need to be very conscious.
So they make their eyes so it's not like you want to. So these measures are not really the best of the measures, but they need to implement it. Urban and inter-urban travel only necessary. Blah, blah, blah. The hotels and accommodation facilities, equipment necessary. Blah. For the responses can be the question. Public administration preference to electronic tools. Blah 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 blah. Mission and abroad are suspended. Blah. Honestly, all these things on jargon. Mem for Italy, the government have released how many thousands of lions for street just to keep the people indoors. You see, the best way to avoid coronavirus is isolation. Isolation. Because of what people, I'm calling the government that please let them enforce this isolation matter. Please, I beg. Isolation is the key. Coronavirus need to laugh for any person. Coronavirus is not joking.
Now one time.
You don't get friend. You don't know which man. You don't know poor man.
If people are dying in Italy, then what is Cameroon?
Italy where they get all facilities there.
All kind of doctor.
Coronavirus, before it reaches the lungs, it remains in the throat for 4 days, and at this time the person begins to cough and have throat pain. If he drinks water a lot and gargling with the water or salt or vinegar, it eliminates the virus and stops the spread. This information, spread information because say someone, okay, say when the virus catch you now, it stays for your throat for 4 days before you go down for your lungs. What the virus does is that, like any other virus, when it gets to your body now, it want to attack a particular part of your body. So when it enters your skin, goes straight for your brain. When it enters your skin, goes straight for your bladder. When you want it enter your skin through your nose, if you hang for it for 4 days before they go now for your bladder, for your lungs. When it's for your lung now, it attach to your lung now, then multiply. It gives somehow a spasm on your muscles, on your lungs, make it difficult for you to breathe. Because if you don't breathe, you suffocate now, you will die.
Of course.
So that's how coronavirus kills. So the same way you drink water with salt. So if you warm water a bit and put salt there, you gargle drink. It's a preventive method. You can kill coronavirus.
But they don't say you do as soon as you come off outside.
Because some people don't want to just
Somebody go to drink salt morning, afternoon, evening, but they outside every day. Salute the one, hug the one, do the one.
And if you feel like say you cough abnormally, go hospital, go check.
Yeah.
No fear, because if the thing reach for bad level, then you will suffer.
Yes.
Yes. So about the coronavirus, no be only our opinion go count, or one opinion to go count. So now go leave a message below. Make other people feel read to understand. Maybe you get a better knowledge.
Yeah.
Don't write them for comment section. Go down, write them for say we yourself will go learn. Because the coronavirus thing is the fear we have families and we abhor that. The coronavirus enter Cameroon hit you like he hit China. Are we going to survive?
No.
Do you have the medical equipment to cure patients? Forget all the Cameroon propaganda. We have cured one patient. One patient have been cured. This patient, which hospital? I saw them posted a picture on social media saying they are doing research. Which Cameroon? Which research are they doing? Honestly, this propaganda will kill a lot of people. Please, I beg. If you get a family member, my landlord, you don't call if you get them back, or you call all in their house. The man tell me say, mass at the time I said because now so na me, if you na me. That's what my landlord told me. Go hard this sharp. Say all people in their house and all them they fine. Say the beginning they get coronavirus. That means say na me. Wait, yeah, it is still. And they pass for corridor.
Where you go now?
Can you imagine? So that's the point that now call your own family members. Let them stay away from public and people. No salama with your hand. Don't. It's not be force, not be law. No law doesn't say you must people with your hand.
If Mama vex you vex so
na food.
Guy, Alpha now. Yes, Alpha. We don't confirm what together. Sava. Stay there. Salome for that side. Salome for here. So guys, that's it. Thank you very much. I don't know if you have any closing remarks.
We'll just say thank you. Muna, don't forget the comment there. We tell you on how you feel too and the knowledge we get, and so that we too will feel learn more too.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for
Yes.
listening.
Yes, and we go the beg someone can you drop the comments them and again we wanna appreciate and we wanna give you more information so that we continue for the try for the updates when I'm through 14 the way we don't talk because not be all man go get time for go look the message box, but we will go look and since as it concern only we so.
Yeah.
So we will go look and then we'll give you again back the update. So the informations are very, very necessary.
Okay.
Thank you for watch time.
And we promise to say we will do research as you see we do with phone and paper. We will do more research for the give now quality information, quality story for things they happen around. So If you want to put your trust in us for the good information, you are safe. We'll give you quality information over this TV channel. Understand? So one beg on a say more subscribe again. I beg that are part for subscribe anyway. What will try just subscribe. Subscribe small then you click.
Just click that button.
Click the button.
That bell.
Notification button.
Just click that bell.
When I click a beg. Toride.
Time short, oh.
Toride. Time short. Oh.